The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina, central Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina, southern Stokes County in north-central North Carolina, central Surry County in northwestern North Carolina, and western Caswell County in north-central North Carolina until 4 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing large destructive hail up to baseball size and extreme damaging winds in excess of 90 miles per hour. This storm was located over Eden and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Eden, Reedsville, King, Yadkinville, Wentworth, Mayodan, Madison, Yanceyville, and Dobson. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.